my child is breathing is toxic for his lungs. The food which he's eating, be it veggies, pulses, or the Maggie which he loves so much, is adulterated. So what do we mothers do for our children? How would yoga help my child?
What mothers did for a long time, that's what you need to do. The thing is, right now you want to cook in 2 minutes. You think there would be no consequence? I'm telling you, Maggi having lead content is not the issue. The meal is ready in 2 minutes. Please understand, there are 1,000 things which is wrong with it. You may not be able to know that in the laboratory, but your body knows what's wrong with it. A food that is cooked and kept for months on end on the shop shelf and you just wet it and you eat it, you think that's the best food to give to your child? Please understand, if anybody wants to cook in 2 minutes for their children, I think it's irresponsible. For thousands of years, the yogic systems have told you, if you consume something, if you cook something, within an hour and a half you must consume. You consume food which has been cooked 3 months ago, 8 months ago, because somebody markets and says this is the best thing to eat, well, you lost all your sense and you've given your sense to marketing forces. You must understand, human consciousness should shape the commerce on this planet. Right now, commerce is shaping the human consciousness in this planet, that will lead to a disastrous situation.